Hey folks, Kyle here, and I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration on how to put together the native bee house that we sell here at Not So Hollow Farm. A drill. We highly recommend using a drill because it'll be much easier. If you don't have a drill, then you're going to need a screwdriver. You're going to need the red Robertson bit size, needle nose pliers, and you're going to need pruners. We have our 3 pre-cut pieces of wood. First is the back of the bee house, and then we have the small roof piece and the large roof piece. We have 5 stainless steel silver screws, 4 brown screws for mounting the wire, 2 pieces of coated wire, and 2 stainless steel 3-inch screws for mounting the bee box. You will also need to gather some nesting material for this project. You'll need a hollow stemmed plant, and we recommend using Phragmites, the common reed. You can find it in many waterways, ponds, and creeks in Ontario. It is invasive, it's from Eurasia, and is taking over and outcompeting many of our native species. So it's perfect for this project, and we don't actually want it in our creeks and wetlands. I will have linked below some documents on how to identify it and some information about why it is invasive in Ontario and North America. Here is our collected Phragmites. It is recommended that you do this in the fall and remove the seed heads so you do not inadvertently bring seeds with you, so remove them on site. Diameter should be anywhere from 1/8 of an inch to 3/8 of an inch. No matter the diameter of the Phragmites entrance hole, the cavity or section should be at least 8 inches in depth for them to nest in. But you will need to cut the sections longer to fit in our box. So this is just for the opening portion. Now take out your 2 pre-cut roof pieces, 3 of your silver stainless steel screws, and set them in to the roof piece so they are just sticking out the one side. Then line up the screws with the pre-drilled holes. It may be easier to push the board up against a flat vertical surface in order to get the screws in, so you can push against them a little bit harder. Take your 4 brown screws and find the pre-drilled holes on the inside of the roof. Do not sink them in too deep, otherwise they'll poke out the roof and cause drainage problems. Perfect. Now it's time to attach the back. The side with the routed edge is the front, so we will attach the back to the other side. Use your 2 remaining stainless steel screws. The back is attached. Now for the wires. I've already attached one side. Use your fingers to wrap it around the screws, or you can also use your needle nose pliers. With both wires attached, now it's time to insert the Phragmites nesting material. Simply take a handful and slide it in, and continue adding pieces until you get a fairly full amount of Phragmites nesting material. Once you're happy with the bundle size, arrange it neatly. You can use needle nose pliers to tighten up the bundle if the wire is a little bit loose. Find the 2 pre-drilled holes, and we've included the 2 stainless steel screws. Congrats, we made it. Good job. Hopefully you can set your bee house up and start attracting some native bees to your garden. Thanks for supporting Not So Hollow Farm.